When the Meiza Flavour Fiesta breezed past household kitchens this past Christmas, it got 11 budding chefs thinking they could cook to feed an entire country with their unique recipe. But it turned out that there could only be a trio of women to crown as winners. So here is being a fly on the wall to see how they fared through the journey.
I'm here to teach you how to make my native soup, which is banga soup and starch.
Caught up among shredded banga spice and foodie reels, stories were being told about the Nigerian diverse features shared as clanging cooking pans hot up high above a burner.
Today I'm making ofachara, Abia State's native soup.
A native Ofe Okazi soup from the east. Steaming palm oil found a new reason to trend. So did the soft abacha leaves, show Nigerian salad fitting into a meal course a curious guest might love. And here's a testimonial from the top winner, Favour Wonkina.
I'm Mrs. Wonkina Favour. Thank you so much, Meiza Nigeria, for this opportunity to participate in your Meiza Flavour Fiesta challenge. I'm one of the winners, and I've gotten my cash prize of 100,000. I want to say a very big thank you to your brand. God bless your brand. Expand your brand in all ramifications. Now, what made me to fulfill the expectation that got me to the top spot was one, I was determined. I shared my link. I canvassed for votes. I begged friends, family and friends to click on the link, like my video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm one person that in a competition, I don't give up. I fight for it because I believe to be successful, you need to work for it. So what really inspired me was one, I was determined to get the crown. I was ready to sacrifice my time to make sure I get the crown. And I want to use this medium to thank everyone that votes for me. God bless you. I love you.
The Meiza Flavour Fiesta is all about discoveries, a vision of tasting Nigeria through a food prism. Follow Meiza Nigeria on our social media handles to travel with us on a culinary journey we are embarking on all year long. See you next time on Meiza TV.